Composite figure 2. Remember, the first step in solving the area of a composite figure is to identify which shapes make up the figure. So the first shape I see is a rectangle. I'm going to outline it in blue. And the second shape I see is a triangle. I'm going to outline it in red. Now, to find the area of the composite figure, I have to find the area of the rectangle and the area of the triangle and add them together. So it's important to remember the formulas. The formula to find the area of a rectangle is length times width. And the formula to find the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So we're going to start with the area of the rectangle. And I'm going to use that in blue. And I'm going to move our paper up a little bit. This is area of a rectangle equals length times width. And if I look at my rectangle, the length is 3 and the width is 6. And 3 times 6 is 18. So the area of the rectangle is 18 centimeters squared. Now to find the area of the triangle. Area of a triangle is found by doing 1/2 base times height. So if I look over here at my triangle, I have a base of 3. So I'm going to fill that in. I have 1/2 times 3 times the height. And if I go over here, there's no number here. But I know that if this is a rectangle, that this side is the same as this side, which means the height of my triangle is 6. So I'm going to use 6 for the height. So now I have to find my answer to the area of a triangle. I can do base times height and then divide it by 2, which would be 3 times 6 divided by 2. Or I can do 1/2 of 6 and multiply that by 3. To follow this one through, I'm going to do the base times the height. So 3 times 6 is 18. And then I have to multiply that times 1/2, which means I'm going to divide 18 by 2 and get 9. So the area of the triangle is 9 centimeters squared, and the area of the rectangle is 18 centimeters squared. To find my whole answer, I'm going to come down to the area line, and I'm going to write both of my areas. So I had 18, and I'm going to add it to 9. And 18 plus 9 is 27. But I'm not finished because I don't have a label. So now I'm going to label my area with the label that's here, which is centimeters. And we always do area in square units. So the answer is 27 square centimeters.